Hi, in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to customize the product page in your Shopify store. Let's come to the computer screen, and here you will find an option of online store. Click here. Here we go. Here you have to click this customize option. We are going to customize the theme. Here we go. Now you will find a top field here. Click this drop down and click the product button, and here you will find default product. Click this option. Here we go. Now this is our default product page, and now we can easily edit different items, different fields of this page. For example, if you do not want to show this quantity, you can hide this. You can see the effect, and here you can show it. So this is the way to edit. For example, if you want this dimension and want to change the ruler like lock, you can see the effect that icon has changed. Same like that, you can change the heading, you can put some content here, and in the same way, let's move down. You can edit this text, you can edit this text, you can edit image, you can edit this overall section from here, like image height. You can adopt image, large image, you can set it large. So in this way you can easily edit your product page as required. After all the changes, obviously you have to save the changes, but in my case I'm not going to do that. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.